Take it easy. You're trying to beat me up. Ouch. Ouch. Tell Riley, sit down. Sit down. Not you, the doggy. Riley, sit down. Good girl. No, 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 no. Yuck. Yuck. No, yuck. Okay. Okay.
Unfortunately, Benton County is so personally Gregory said.
KK, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? No.